To take a screenshot on Google Pixel 10a, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to use the combination of two buttons, the power button and the volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at once, you can easily capture the screenshot. Besides that, we can also go to settings. There we go. Now once we go to settings, scroll all the way down and choose accessibility. Then in accessibility, search for accessibility menu. And in here, we should be able to enable the accessibility menu shortcut, and we're gonna press OK. Now use the shortcut in order to open this menu over here of accessibility, and we're gonna go to the next page in order to find the screenshot option, so you can capture a screenshot like that as well. There is also the double tap gesture that we can set up in the settings. So if we go to system settings in here and then choose gestures, then you can find quick tap to start actions. Make sure that use quick tap is enabled, and make sure that take screenshot is selected from this list. Now you can double tap the back of the phone to capture a screenshot. It is pretty easy, you just have to tap usually like above the Google logo, at least in my case, it works pretty well like that. And last but not least, what you can also do is if you open any app, if you want to take a screenshot of that app, you can just go to the recents or list of background apps, and we can use the screenshot button in here. This allows you to take a screenshot of the app preview. Leave a like and subscribe.